here's how to join groups in Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can join groups in Instagram. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So you cannot basically join groups in Instagram. There is no like available feature for joining groups. But what you can do is just ask the group admin or any of the group member to add you in the group. So you could just talk in the group. Or if you cannot just find your group, what you have to do is just go to your DMs. Once you're in DMs, just go to this little search bar right over here. Once you press on the search bar, just type in the group name that you want to be there. So let's say you have already joined a group but you cannot find it, just type in the first initial of the group or a member that's in the group. So let's say my group is this one. So here, as you can see, I'm just gonna type in the group, and here as you can see that this is the group, and that's how you can join it. So basically this is it, and you basically need an admin to join a Instagram group or any other group. But if you cannot find it, that's the way. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like and drop a comment and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.